It's Sunday night. I'm feeling right. I'm making some money and I'm gonna go to bed tonight with a little bit more money in my bank account. I know, it's a great song and I'm not gonna copyright that. It's called Money in the Bank. It's Sunday night here, and well, we're getting ready. Well, we're not really getting ready. We made a trade already. I'm gonna talk to you guys about what went down, how it all went down, and all that fun stuff right here. Trading the E-minis. Trading the E-minis this Sunday night here, 6 p.m. It is currently 6:35 on the East Coast, and I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready for some big moves here, baby. So let's talk about this big mover today. What's going on with the E-minis, and how did I make money today? Let's go. What's going on, guys? It's Sunday. Not Sunday football. It's Sunday, 6 p.m. The market has officially, the futures market has opened. We got the E-minis making some moves. A big gap down today. So I'm interested to see where the market opens tomorrow morning. It's almost like I'm seeing the future by trading futures, because tomorrow morning, who knows what's going to happen? Are we going to fill the gap? Are we going to jump back up to where we kind of closed at, and what's going to happen from here? Let's talk about it. Let's look at this chart. So it ended up making $75 tonight, and it's an interesting chart this morning, or I keep saying morning because I'm normally trading morning, but tonight it's an interesting setup because we opened up at this big gap down. I'll show you the gap down here on the 5-minute. You can see the gap down. We closed there Friday at the 235 area. We gapped down today down there to 217. We kind of bounced around there. But this is interesting because I want to show you guys this on the smaller time frame here. So I was looking for a possible long entry because we had a couple things going on here. We had this pullback. We kind of found support, and we're kind of bouncing. And look at the bottom of these candles. Nice wicks, right? Got some nice wicks there. We're pushing. The buyers are stepping in. Every time we pull back, it pushes back up. So I'm thinking, okay, if we can break above 219, this is going to be, we're probably going to push easily up to that 224 area. We're going to push here. So as we broke above 219, guess what happened? We got the trap. And being the smart person that I am, I waited for a second and I said, something's not right here. I see a lot of selling going through. I'm not seeing us pushing. Something's not right. What's going on here? The trap is real. So we got the trap. That's what we got, right? We got the trap there. We pull back. And we got down to 217. Now, this is even better. This is probably the perfect example to see the trap both ways. So you can see 219 was resistance. 219 resistance. Okay, we break above 219. Guess what? Sellers step in there. They want to push it back down. We pushed all the way back down here to the 216 area. But then look how we got a channel here. We got the bottom of these candles. We got some support there. We got some resistance on the tops of these candles. We're tight, right? We're tight in this area. We just opened, the market just opened at 6 p.m. here on Eastern. I'm on Florida, so I'm on Eastern time here. And we pull back, and guess what? We actually broke through that little bit of support area. We had that support area like right there at the bottom of that candle, 217 area, a little bit higher, 217, right? This thing pulls back all the way down there to almost to the 216 area. And guess what? As soon as it touched down there, it just exploded right back up there and then rallied up there to 222. So we get the pullback after that little fake out here, after that little trap, which from most standpoints, this looked like it was going to break out, but we got the trap. We got a lot of selling over here on time and sales, which I was watching, keeping a close eye on time and sales, keeping a close eye on what's going on here with the market. And once I saw that trap, was able to jump in for a short, got covered down there at 217, made $75. It's Sunday, and I made $75. How much money did you make today on a Sunday? I'm thinking you didn't make any money today. But that's not what this is about. This is just about this interesting setup here, especially seeing this little bit of trap and then this trap here. So guess what happens? We rallied. We pushed through 219 like I was thinking we would earlier. We got up there to the 222.50 area. And guess what's happening right now? We're pulling back, and we're trying to see if that 219 area is going to act as support here. Are we going to turn that previous resistance into support now and start to rally from there? That's the $1 million question. If I had that answer right now, I could just buy like 100 contracts and make a couple $1,000 really quickly here. But I don't have that answer. So we'll have to see what happens from there. But I just wanted to break this down for you guys. A lot of people don't know a lot about futures. I'm just trying to share my little experience here. This is the second time, or really, I think it's the first Sunday that I've traded futures here. And one of the reasons that I'm trading tonight is because I will not be here the rest of the week. I won't be here Monday through Friday because I'm heading to Vegas. Vegas, baby. So I got to go out there for some work and some talking, and I'll be at the DJI booth all week. So if you are for some reason going to be at CES in Vegas, check me out. Don't worry, I got a bunch of videos lined up for you guys already. So we got a lot of stuff, cool stuff going on here. Let's see what happens. 219. Are we going to bounce here? 219. Bounce, 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 bounce. Looking very toppy here. Looks like this thing might just want to keep selling. This could be that fine line in the sand. That 219 here needs to kind of bounce here to show that we got some support, some bullish momentum. We don't want to sell off from that 219 again. We'll see. But still kind of making up its mind here. Trying to figure out which way it wants to go. Big gap down, like I said, though, overall with the market today. This is the 5-minute chart. You can see kind of where we're at. Gapping down there. So let's see if that 219 is going to turn into support here. You're kind of watching over here as well on the time and sales. Look at those orders coming through. We got people buying that 219.25. So that's obviously showing us that there's some support there at the 219 now. And that previous resistance, is it going to turn into support? Okay, they were bouncing a little bit. We're bouncing. Trying to keep that 219 in check there. Ooh. 219. Is it going to hold? It's always interesting because I make these videos, right? And then an hour from now, obviously, we're going to know which way the market's going to go because, well, it's going to be an hour from now. And we'll have known which way this is going to break. But right now, in the moment, this is live. This is real time. We're trading real money, real cash, real times. And not bad. Making $75 today off that little bit of a trap there. Getting that trap, baby. You got to be a trap king if you want to make money in this market. And look at that right now. That 219 area just not giving us everything we wanted. Kind of bouncing back, kind of holding here. Looking slow right now. Not a lot of orders going through there. People are deciding which way they want to go. Do they want to get short? Do they want to get long here? The $1 million question, my friends, especially after seeing this candle here. A lot of selling pressure coming in there after pushing up there the 222 area. Let's see that 219 hold. Got about another 100 ticks here till we get close on that candle. I think if that candle closes here above 219, which should be good for now. Let's see. Getting close. We're getting close to the closure of this candle. Ding, 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 ding. Come on. 80 more ticks left. I'm going to wait to see where this candle closes at before I close out this video. Hopefully you guys are also staying tuned here. And ding. 40. 43. Should we count down from the 40s? 34 ticks left. We're still above 219. We're pushing. Okay. Let's see. Oops. I think we're gonna close above it. There we go. Beautiful. So that 219 area right now holding. That would be a bullish sign as of right now. As long as we can hold that 219 area. I'm out of breath. We should be able to push here. So there it is. I got to get packed for Vegas. I'll talk to you guys later on. Like I said, I got a lot of videos coming out this week. So don't worry. I'm not going to be gone all week. Well, I'll be gone all week, but I've got videos for you guys already lined up talking about some great stuff this week. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And looking like that 219 area is turning into support here. So $75 in a matter of minutes here on a Sunday afternoon. That's the great thing about futures. If you have a full-time job, you work 9 to 5, you don't have time to trade every day, all day, well, guess what? There's opportunity out there for you. Futures is definitely an opportunity for you guys. So if you guys have already hit that subscribe button, I will talk to you guys later on.